First bedroom. Second bedroom, walk-in closet. Huge kitchen. Refrigerator, brand new. Wash and dry hookup. Beautiful countertop. Third bedroom on the first floor. In your bathroom. Shower. And now for the master suite. You go up. Bedroom number 1 upstairs. Walk-in closet. Bedroom number 2 upstairs. Huge. Bedroom number 3 upstairs. Nice. Back door. Second bathroom. It's beautiful. It needs a light bulb. Stand-up shower. Nice size. And you walk right back out to another small little hiding space for that man in charge. It's a small, tiny room or a hiding space. Beautiful. Yes, we are putting the application in right now.